Ted and CK, this is the day the Lord has made for you to remember for the rest of your life. This is your wedding day. And tomorrow, you will start the journey of a married couple, of a husband and of a wife.
You tell all the boys no. Makes you feel good, yeah. I know you're out of my league, but that won't scare me away, no. You've carried on so long, you couldn't stop if you tried it. You've built your wall so high.
Dear Honey Bombs, this is it. I love you. I'm your #1 fan in basketball. Love, CK. Soon, Mrs. Daniel.
See beneath your beautiful, would you let me see beneath your perfect? Take it off now, girl. Take it off now, girl. I wanna see inside. Would you let me see beneath your beautiful tonight? Oh,
thank you, Bea, for making my daughter beautiful tonight.
You let all the girls go, makes you feel good,
yeah.
Don't it?
See you later, Mrs. Daniolco.
Behind your Broadway show, I heard a voice say, please don't hurt me. You carried on so long, you couldn't stop if you tried it. Yeah. You built your wall so high that no one could climb it.
Ted, do you take CK a present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do, Father.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do, Father.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do, Father.
Take it off now, boy, take it off now, boy. I wanna see inside. Would you let me see beneath your beautiful tonight?
CK, do you take Ted here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do, Father.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do, Father.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do, Father.
I'm gonna climb on top your every time. I'll hold your hand and we'll jump right out.
You'll be falling, falling, but that's okay.
'Cause I'll be right here. I just wanna know.
CK, sanay kang prinsesa sa bahay at sa pamilya. Simula bukas, yung katabi mong yan ay yung krus mo sa buhay.
Take it off now, boy, take it off now, boy. 'Cause I wanna see inside.